He's Harry the bunny. He loves to be funny and play every morning when everything's sunny. When the morning comes to stay, he loves to play all day. He's the funniest, funniest Harry the bunny.
I'm the funniest, sunniest
Harry the bunny. He's Harry the bunny.
Hello, little ones. I'm Harry the bunny. Look, I have fluffy pillows. Look. See how many things I can do with them? I can put my head on the pillow. What a comfy pillow. I'm going to love sleeping on these pillows. Hey, how about I make a pillow tent? Let's have a sleepover in my pillow tent. Oops! I know what else I can do with my pillow. Have a pillow fight with a friend. Yippee! Now I'm tired. I'll put my head on my new, comfy, fluffy pillow and rest. Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies.